video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Igloo map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a map which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the map, we just have to click over here. Now you will redirect to the Tebex store. You just have to click over here and get the map into your CFX portal and download the map. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and behind me you can see this is the Igloo map which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here. As you can see there are lots of snowmans in the Igloo map. As you can see, and there's one huge Christmas tree over here, as you can see. Now let's get inside the Igloo. So this is the Igloo over here, and you can see multiple Christmas objects in this map. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.